I've been wanting to retrofit one of my old lights. It's a hi-hat or a recess light, as people like to call them. I don't have the little attachment that's supposed to be over here. And they only cost a couple of bucks to put it in to make it look pretty. But instead, it cost about $8 to get one of these recess lights. We're going to replace them with that. So this is a Retrofit 5 to 6 inches. So it should fit just right. The only thing I'm going to have to adjust, and this is the only tool I need, only because of this application, is to cut around right here to make it fit into a perfect circle. So that's not hard, it's just going to be a little messy. This light just has the 2 clips, just like that. You press them in, and the recess light actually has little slots that you can put it in. For now, I just want to see if it'll fit right. You will? Okay. You take this off. That's a heavy bulb. And then I'm gonna take these little clips out of here if I can. And you screw it in like a light bulb. There we go. And then little clip. It's done. So I'm gonna try to see. All right. I'm gonna do my best to clip it in there, but it's so tight that it might just hold on its own. Done. That's it. That's how simple it was.
Dad at Home, a Busy Bee channel.